Introduction to documents. Managing documents across multiple storage locations is time-consuming, often leading to delays and wasted time searching for specific files. With TaxDome, you can centralize all your clients' files and streamline workflows using tools to collect, organize, and deliver documents seamlessly. You can assign clients to team members, granting them access only to specific client folders. This ensures sensitive information is protected and available only to authorized personnel. Every document you've ever sent or received from a client is stored in TaxDome. Even files sent by clients are archived individually within their respective folders. Plus, TaxDome offers unlimited document storage. You can automate reminders for document requests and signatures, eliminating the need to follow up manually. For quick and easy uploads, you can generate a secure link that allows clients to upload files directly to the portal, no password required. You can also edit, complete, and sign documents directly within our platform, available on both client and firm mobile apps without relying on external tools. Everything you need to manage your documents is available within TaxDome.